say I'm stunned, but I'm not stunned. This is a Gordon Ramsay recipe. It had to be great, and it is. Oh! Boom! I think I nailed it. I watched, I learned, I mastered it. If you're not trying this dish, you are missing out. You can cook like a master chef in your own home. Mr. Ramsay, if you could please, a rating. Please and thank you, sir. I know if Gordon Ramsay is watching this video, he's gonna be able to figure out what I didn't put in there. Because there was one ingredient that was missing. I couldn't find it, I couldn't get it. I searched. Maybe I didn't try hard enough. I know he's gonna be able to know what's not in this recipe because it was his recipe. So if there's an ingredient missing, he's gonna know. I just couldn't find it. I tried. Out of this world.